Good morning to all. Welcome to English Fluent Classes. I am Soumya Kumari. Again, this is presentation class. My presentation topic is RBI monetary policy, and my slide is. First slide is RBI monetary policy. It means RBI means it is a type of bank, and monetary policy in RBI we follow the some money procedures. It is called monetary policy. And come to the next slide, that is. Before the understand the topic, first is money and banking. Money is a medium of exchange that acceptable by all commodity. And next is banking. Banking means it is a financial institution in which all the people save their money, and you all both are related to each other. And maybe you all know that when government announces this paper is a money, so this paper act as a money in market, but official announcement and with some restriction, and this money is not value in this market when government announces this paper is a money. And after that, come to the next slide, that is the content. We know that content plays very essential role in our presentation, because without content, presentation is a building without a pillar. So first content is introduction, and second is history, and third is economic, and fourth is how is it work, and fifth is conclusion. First content is introduction. Monetary policy is a financial instrument in which under the RBI control, in which standardize monetary debt, availability of credit and money supply in monetary policy. And in this figure show that a central bank without monetary procedures and monetary policies, it is like unstable economy, but by the injection of monetary policy and procedures, it is a stable and growth economy. And next slide is also introduction. It refers to set of policy and monetary authority which regulate the money supply and credit flows in the economy. And second is, in India, RBI plays the role of central bank, in which formulates the monetary policies of India. Next slide is history. The Monetary Policy Committee was established in 2016, and its main origin in 1 July to 1935 in Kolkata. And second is also history. The origin of the monetary policies occurred under the classical gold standard that prevailed in 1914. And in the case of balance of payment deficit, gold would tend to flow abroad from reduced bank and gold. And third slide is my economy. Some of the points are very important in monetary system, like maximum employment, stable prices, and moderate long-term interest rate. And second point is bank rate. Bank rate is bank rate is a rate in which interest rate that central bank lends to the commercial bank in other bank. And after that, some basic points that are very important in RBI bank, like cash reserve ratio. A cash reserve ratio, it means when any bank face the inflation and deflation problem. So in this time, bank are already reserve some cash. It means budget ready to the budget in market. And second is bank rate. Bank rate means it is a type of interest rate in which central bank lends to the money in a commercial bank. And repo rate. Repo rate means the when give a loan give loan in a bank, and to pay the interest rate, so it is the called repo rate. In recent time, repo rate in 4%. And open market operation. Open market operations means we invest in open market, and in inflation and deflation time we invest in we invest in open market operations. And in this hierarchy, the so decreasing money supply and decreases demand. It means when RBI do not passes the money and decreases the money supply, so all of course the demand and supply are also come, and human interests are also low, and increasing money supply and increases demand and investment. Yes, when human are comfort with their money, so also humans are there satisfy their demand and supply. And after that, lower interest rates increases consumer spending and investment. It means when RBI gives a lower interest rate, so people investment and spending their own life very much. And fifth is higher interest rate reduce demand and lower inflation. Yes, when RBI charges higher interest rate, so people faces many problems. So in this case, people demands and supply are very low. How monetary policy works? UK monetary policy is set by the Monetary Policy Committee of the Bank of England, and they are independent in setting interest rate, but they are also meet the government targets. Governor of the RBI Bank. First governor of the RBI Bank is Sir Osborne Smith, and second governor of RBI is Sir James Braid Taylor, and recent governor of the RBI is Shakti Kanta Das. In this graph it is not a perfect graph, but in this graph shows that in our country always be faces inflation and deflation problems. So in 2013 the graph are very high, and very high, and also 2012 our graph are very high in economic prospectus. And lastly, after the conclusion, I learned from this presentation many more, because if I conclude this presentation by the help of deflation and inflation. Inflation means the any products that any product rates are very high, and deflation means any products rate are very low. So it is, and also information about the government's power. When government wants to this paper is act as a money, so government are officially announces, and this is the power of government. Thank you.
You tell me, when Indian currency appreciates,
yes,
or depreciates, what RBI should do?
So repeat the question.
Let's say, I'll put in this way. Let's say Indian currency, $1 is equal to 65 rupees, let's say. And with the market dynamics, if Indian currency becomes 70 rupees per dollar, in this case, what RBI will do?
So RBI.
What is open market operation?
So in open market operation, we invest in a market
by selling or purchasing bonds.
Yes, sir.
So here also we do the open market operations in order to establish the currency. Okay, you tell me how repo rate plays important role for the bank rate?
So because loan is basically very common in our society. So any people when give a loan in a bank, when RBI interest rate are very high, so it is a very critical problem for the people. It creates a very inflation, and when interest rate is very low, and interest rate it also called repo rate. When interest rate charge in recent time 4% interest rate charge, repo rate charges. So it
repo rate and bank rate is not same. Repo rate affects the bank rates. Repo rates means at that rate which bank used to get money from the RBI. and accordingly bank give to the customers. That is called bank rate. Repo rate relates with the bank rate, but both are not equivalent. Both are not equal. Okay, you tell me what is inflation?
Inflation means any in our society, in our country, when any products are their prices are very high, just like in COVID-19. In COVID-19 we faces many problems, and people are not go through in market, so in this time all the products are very high prices.
What is the reason behind of having high inflation?
So because of demand and supply very low.
Good. Clever.